day to avoid a very no. If you lose a good woman, everything goes scatter. Everything goes yama. That's so confusion. Wahala day, wahala day.
That was a very good song, played for a very good woman. Professor Pedro, you are a good woman. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today at the Women Helping Women for a Sustainable Tomorrow Foundation Sewing Machine Distribution event. I sincerely appreciate the invitation extended to me by the CEO, Global President and Founder of this foundation, Professor Elizabeth Pedro. And I commend her for this remarkable initiative aimed at empowering women and promoting sustainable livelihoods. Today's event is a clear demonstration that empowering women with practical skills and productive tools is one of the most effective ways to reduce poverty, strengthen families, and stimulate economic growth within our communities. By providing sewing machines to beneficiaries, the foundation is not merely distributing equipment, it is creating opportunities for self-reliance, entrepreneurship, and financial independence. The Edo State Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation remains committed to supporting programs that align with the vision of His Excellency Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo to improve the welfare of our people through inclusive empowerment and sustainable development. We welcome collaborations with credible organizations such as yours in our collective efforts to uplift the vulnerable citizens across the state. To all beneficiaries, I encourage you to make the most of this opportunity. Let the sewing machines become instruments of transformation. Use the skills you have acquired diligently, grow your businesses, create employment opportunities for others, and become ambassadors of hope within your communities. Once again, I congratulate you, my sister, and the entire Women Helping Women Foundation for this laudable initiative. I pray that the foundation continues to grow from strength to strength and positively impact many more lives. Thank you, and may God bless your foundation. May God bless my boss, His Excellency, for giving me this opportunity to always make his shine agenda a topic to discuss. Thank you very much.
Sweet mother, I know you're not there, sorry, for this summer when you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I know you're forget you, for this summer when you suffer for me. When I did cry, my mother would cry. She goes, say, my lady, when you don't cry, stop, if you don't cry again. When I was asleep, my mother would tell me, she don't like me well for bed. She covered me close, say me don't sleep.